Hi guys, good morning. Nako sa Phnom Penh karon. And malaag ta mo adto ko og merkado nila diri. And I'm gonna drop my laundry. Kay daka na akong napuno. So yes, ako sa ning napalutot mo adto Malaysia. Okay, mo adto ko Malaysia. The next 17 karon, no, 17 karon, then 19 akong fly to Malaysia. So yes, palabas ako. So let's go, maglaad ka sa ilang merkado dali. Let's go. Oops, open ako na click ground floor. Yes guys, so yeah. Maglaad ta din. I think I'm gonna have a hair treatment kaya akong buko na forma. So yes, let's go. Guys, na-drop off na ako akong laundry. Then, karon pa doon ako sa ilang merkado. And, I had my bag like that. Like, sa tubangan. Nako gibutang kay parera gyud sa Philippines nga. It's not really safe. Kay, this is really local here. And then, wala ako sa tourist area. So, I must be careful. That's why, let's go. So, guys, nanako dari sa ilang market. Muni lang old market. I think this is the oldest market. And na mga fruit shop.
Went Cambodia.
Yes.
Words.
No, I don't know Cambodian words. No.
What do you say?
Just English. Filipino.
Yeah,
Filipino.
I know.
Sorry, yes. You gotta like that my hair.
What is the sunset clinic?
Right.
Bang Tai.
This one.
Yeah.
I see.
go bus. You go bus. You are or you every day.
No, not every day. I went to Siem Reap, and then now here in Phnom Penh,
Yeah, yeah,
and then I go to Malaysia
yeah, yeah.
next,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
okay, yeah,
go
yeah,
back.
yeah, I know.
เอาไปอังกฤษนี่ถ้าจำยมเลยบ้างมันเคยยมเลย
Man ako og bakod sa buhok og sa nail, and now I'm just looking for food. Dito ako pagkaon kanang barato, but I think kulay barato dari nga side kay wala na yung mga tourist area. Tanawa. Dito na ang famous lake. Yubo gyud you guys. You guys, mangita lang ko pagkaon kay I'm so hungry and I like my hair. Yes. Nakaulit na ko and nalubat akong camera, so that's why I did not gonna make an outro. So yes, nakaulit na ko and I'm loving my hair. Like, she did really pretty good. I like it. Yes. Diba? Nice kay siya. Kanahan kay ko. As in. And the nails as well. Singgi ko na kong nails. So, the cleaning, they call it cleaning or treatment, is $3. Yes, and for the nails, $2. Apil lang din. So, yes. Sabak kay TV. Di ko kasabot. Chung. So guys, that's the end of my vlog, and I hope you chung me. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, I love you. Bye.